is going on a campaign overdrive in the state of Bengal, and preparing for it, a BJP worker was beaten to death in Cooch Behar. The party has alleged the TMC role in the murder. The BJP says the last 11 months witnessed 115 political murders. Is this the violent prelude to the 21 Bengal elections? Let's debate.
Cooch Behar, West Bengal. BJP booth secretary Kalachand Karmakar allegedly brutally beaten to death by TMC goons.
মারার পরে আমার ভাসুর দেখে আগাইছে মানে পাকার মধ্যে শুয়ে থেকে মারতেছে আমার ভাসুর দোকান থেকে যে আগাইছে আগানোর পরে সারাবার যাওয়ার পরেই উনাকে ধরে মার বেজাগায় মনে হয় লাথিটা মারছে
The BJP, which is calling this murder politics under Mamata Banerjee, called a 12-hour bandh, blocked roads with his body.
ওটা আমি তো বললাম একটা পাড়ার মধ্যে আগে একটাই ক্লাব ছিল গত 2 বছরে দুটো পূজা হচ্ছে এটাই আর কি 2 বছরে পূজা গত বছর পিসফুল হয়েছিল এই বছরে দুটো পূজা হয়েছে বিসর্জনও পিসফুল হয়েছিল আজকে সকালে ওনাদের নিজের কোনো সমস্যা ছিল ওটা দিয়ে একটু ঝামেলা হয়েছে
While the TMC has denied the allegations, is this going to be a trailer to the Bengal elections?
Political violence, political vendetta, political killings are on the increase. We must protect and stop political violence. मुख्यमंत्री के जवाब के बाद मनीष शुक्ला की हत्या होना आपके राज्यपाल पर क्या बीतती होगी ये बढ़ता ही जा रहा है इस पर अंकुश तभी लगेगा जब सरकारी तंत्र और पुलिस और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नॉन पॉलिटिकल होंगे वो पब्लिक सर्वेंट की तरह काम करेंगे
Especially after Amit Shah entered the political battlefield with renewed focus.
एक और तो ममता सरकार के प्रति भयंकर जनाक्रोश दिखाई पड़ता है और दूसरी ओर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के प्रति एक आशा और श्रद्धा दिखाई पड़ती है कि बंगाल के अंदर परिवर्तन श्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ही आ सकता है
For now, the BJP is strongly focusing on its Bengal campaign, with Amit Shah and JP Nadda gearing up to visit the state every month.
बंगाल में 42 के 42 सीट में गड़बड़ हुआ गोली चली मारे गए लोग और हाईवे जाम हुआ बूथ में ताला मार दिए लोग देखिए ये तो कानून व्यवस्था बोल के कोई चीज़ है ही नहीं यहाँ पुलिस टीएमसी की कैडर जैसा उसकी व्यवहार होती है यहाँ के जो थानादार है वो उनके जैसा ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट और यहाँ के एसपी जो हैं वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट जैसा उनका एटीट्यूड होता है
Is Amit Shah's entry making the TMC nervous? Will political violence be the bedrock of the elections in Bengal? If that's the case, then isn't this the biggest threat to our democracy? Let's debate.
Anirban and Mohammad Tausif Rahman. Please understand, Mohammad Tausif Rahman, you are talking about a political murder. And there are serialized political murders in Bengal now. Will this win you the election? Please, Tausif, I want you to start. You see, eventually you do realize this is not going to win you the election. How many BJP workers will you kill? How many BJP leaders will be found hanging in suspicious circumstances? The more you kill, the more the BJP cadre is getting mobilized. So what's going on? Mohammad Tausif Rahman, you can make your point. I'll have Nupur respond to you.
So no, that first of all, Arnab, good evening to you. And first of all, who told you it's a political murder? It was a fight between two clubs during the Visarjan or immersion, whatever you say. And the clash happened between the two communities. And one of them lost his life. It's a very unfortunate circumstances. But how come you are saying it's a political murder between TMC and BJP or Congress or CPM or whatsoever in Bengal? How can you say that it's a political murder? I don't think so it is a political murder. It's just like a murder which is happening in Uttar Pradesh, happening in Madhya Pradesh.
But that's your answer to every killing.
Of India.
That's your answer to every killing. That's your answer to every killing. The person is a BJP booth secretary, Kalachand Karmakar.
Every killing.
He was lynched to death. Was he not lynched? What do you mean every killing?
Maybe
what do you mean? I'm talking about this one.
Yeah, no.
I'm talking about this one.
Maybe tomorrow.
But I'm telling you about, asking you about this one. Was he a BJP booth secretary? Was he lynched? Who lynched him?
No, I'm telling you a universal.
This blasé attitude of yours is very dangerous. Nupur will respond to you. Let's keep it a fast debate, Nupur.
BJP
Okay, so I understood. You can't give a universal answer. You can't give a universal answer to a specific killing.
Giving you a silent
Nupur.
answer, nothing else.
There's nothing called a universal
Honor.
answer. What do you mean by universal
No,
answer?
there's a lot of specific
That's
killing.
not,
Arnab.
they're lying, obviously, because that's their best
There's a
defense.
lot of specific
BJP
killing
has
happening
lost.
all
Can I
over India.
please come in?
It is not
Sir,
about
can I
BJP and
please
TMC.
complete?
A
Sir,
human
can I
being
please
has lost his
complete?
life.
Sir,
I want to
please
complete Nupur. If you
Can I
can't
please?
wait,
No,
if you
I think
can't
I've been
wait,
asked to
I
come
can't
in.
help it, ma'am.
No,
I
I
want to
think I
complete
was
my
asked to
issues.
come in. We
The
need to
India is
respect what the
watching.
anchor says.
India wants to
You
hear.
need to India is
India wants to
watching
hear.
how
This
you
is
are
Republic.
terrorists. How
The whole
you
India watches
are
Republic.
obnoxious that you will not
The
even
whole
listen to the
India,
anchor asking me to
whole
come in.
India is watching you.
I
They are
will only
listening
speak
to
when he
you.
finishes,
They are
Arnab.
listening me as
Let
well.
him
So I
go
want to clear my point.
He does not make any sense,
Yes, I
but
want
I
to
will not
clear my
allow
point.
to be shouted
I
down by
want
this
to
man
clear my
who is
point.
behaving like a terrorist. Maybe
It's okay,
he
you
is in
can
the
wait for
ranks of
me.
TMC killers. No, sir.
You can wait
the
for me,
anchor
no
asked me to
problem.
come in.
This
no,
is the
you
problem.
can speak when
You
your turn
want to
comes.
target
Your
each
turn
and
is
every
over.
Muslim.
I'm not going
Being
to
a
speak.
Muslim,
Arnab.
you can
you
call
have to
me a
allow me my
terrorist.
time.
It's okay.
You have to
My
allow-
name
you
is
are
not
a
Khan.
terrorist.
There's no
My name is
Hindu-Muslim
Rahman.
angle to this,
You
Nupur.
can
No,
call
that's
me
not right.
terrorist.
You are a
It's
terrorist.
okay.
You are a terrorist.
This is the
I'm
problem.
sorry.
This is
You
the problem.
are a verbal
This is
terrorist.
the
You are
problem.
completely
I
taking
never
my
called you a
time.
terrorist.
Arnab, you have to allow
We
me
are
my
talking
time.
about
You
a
asked me to come
particular
in.
guy
Your other
who
panelist
died.
is misbehaving.
Why are you
and he's
calling me
eating
a
up my
terrorist?
time because he is scared he'll be
How
exposed.
dare you are calling me a
You have
terrorist?
to
Okay,
give me
okay,
my
Mohammed
time,
Tausif,
Arnab.
you
I'm
started the
terrorist.
debate. Tausif, you started the debate, you get a rebut.
How dare you?
But you started the debate, you get a
You
rebut.
are a
How dare
terrorist.
you?
I
No, no,
dare
you
you.
started the debate, she listened. Now you get a rebut, you listen. Now come on, let's not waste
What's the
time.
problem with you?
Let's not waste
Of
time.
course he's wasting.
One point I make
Of
here.
course he's
Nupur
wasting
responds to you.
everybody's
Nupur
time.
responds, Anirban responds
6
after that.
days ago-
Let's keep it
6
civil.
days
Nupur.
ago- 6
Nupur,
days ago,
Nupur,
this
you
is
make
very-
your point here. No,
Yeah.
the contention being made is the TMC supporter says you cannot prove that it's a political murder. Right?
6
I
days
need you
ago-
to be very specific and prove your point that it
Of
was a
course, I
political
will.
murder. Please.
6 days ago, Arnab, there is
That
a
you are
news
saying,
article.
Arnab, that is your
Look
call.
at this, Arnab. Look
Jo
at
to
this,
dosh,
Arnab. I'm
mundu
very
ghosh.
sorry. If you're going to allow this debate,
Now,
to
this
go,
is not
that's
okay.
going
Now,
to
now,
go.
Tausif.
This is
Whatever
not
Now,
okay.
Tausif, this is not okay.
This is not okay.
It is TMC.
No, Tausif, this is not okay. The moment she speaks, you interrupt. Now, this is not okay. Come on now. Come on,
That's
Tausif.
because he's
Personal
scared.
request. Stop
He's
it.
a-
Thank you.
He's a scared little squirrel. Now, please allow me. 6 days ago, Arnab, there is an article in the Indian Express, and I will read it out to you. The TMC Gram Panchayat member Bharati Doloi's husband tested positive for COVID. A BJP worker called Jana, and I will read it out to you. A BJP worker, 62-year-old, named Gokul Chandra Jana, as much as objected to him not following COVID protocol, Bharati Doloi's family killed him. So please tell me if Bharati Doloi is not from TMC. Last month, Manish Shukla, you remember Manish Shukla? He was shot dead in broad daylight, right opposite a police thana. No arrests were made.
Go and ask
And so
Arjun
much
Singh.
so comes
Go and
from
ask Arjun Singh. Manish Shukla was
Mamata
supposed to join
Banerjee
TMC.
Didi.
Manish
People who
Shukla
as
was
much as
supposed
say
to join
Jai Shri
TMC.
Ram are
Arjun
picked
Singh
up
killed
and
him.
arrested and hauled
Arjun
up.
Singh.
We have lost
The
115,
blood hand
120
twist
of our
belongs to
Karakatas.
Arjun Singh, your MP.
Only recently,
Go and ask
after
Arjun
the farm
Singh.
bills
He
were
will give
amended,
you a better
Arnab.
answer.
You know,
The
I
problem
have
of
visuals.
Manish Shukla,
We
go
have
and ask Arjun
videos.
Singh. If
Arey,
you are
just
bringing
shut
Manish
up and
Shukla
listen
inside,
to
I
me.
can give you
Hekla,
100 and
you
1,000
verbal
of rebuttals.
terrorists, listen
You
to
don't.
me.
You shut up and listen to me.
Only 2
You
months
shut up
ago,
and listen to me.
when
You
farm
can't make me
bills
shut
were
up.
passed,
I am
you
not a bloody
terrorists,
dalal from
only
BJP.
2 months ago,
You
when
shut
farm
up and
bills
listen
were
to me.
amended, Arnab,
I don't
you
belong-
know what
I don't- I'm
happened?
not a dalal.
TMC members
Who will do dalali of
attacked
Bharatiya
a
Janata Dal
rally
Party.
in support
Alright?
of farm bill.
We are a
In
political analyst and we are sitting here to do
when the BJP
analyze.
Bengal unit
We are not a
took
dalal.
out a
You can't
rally
call me and
in
shut up and say like
favor
this.
of us
Go
getting
and
18
talk to
seats in
Manish
Lok
Shukla's
Sabha
family.
2019.
Whatever happened in
TMC
Barikpur and
members
Garh-
threw grenades.
Oh, shut
They
up.
threw grenade and violently attacked a BJP
You can
rally.
make stories.
Last
The India
month,
knows.
Tejasvi Surya,
India knows what you're
BJP
talking about and you are lying
took
on the
out a
camera.
rally, Nabanna
This
Chalo.
is
It is all
this
on
is the problem
visual.
with you.
Elderly
You can
people
call a
were
Muslim a
beaten up by
terrorist.
your TMC
You can
police.
bring Manish
You
Shukla
think
in,
people are
but you will
blind?
not
You
utter
think
a
people
word
can't see
about Arjun
that
Singh.
TMC
This is
leaders
your
made
problem, sir.
bombs in their
This
houses
is
in
your problem,
Burdwan?
Nupur.
How How do
It's
you
all
answer
right.
that? What do TMC leaders have? Why
point
do they
is-
have access to raw
I can
materials
answer
to
you.
make
So
bombs
are you
in their
saying-
houses?
to listen?
In fact, most of the
a minute, a minute. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more.
Amit Shah has the
Anirban,
courage to
Anirban,
listen.
the problem is, 1 minute. Problem is, see, there is going to be stiff competition to the BJP in the coming elections. There is to the TMC.
Terrorists
in the coming elections. There's no doubt about it.
He will
I am-
allow me to speak and he will
Nupur, now, Nupur,
The
please.
problem is that.
Now, Nupur, let's remain focused on the issue. Anirban, listen.
All these people.
And
Anirban,
every
listen.
debate you don't want to listen.
Okay, now, Tausif and Nupur, there has to be a ceasefire between both of you that you both agree on. My question to Anirban and Praful is, listen, there will be a fight. Anirban, you realize there was a fight, and you do realize you are a TMC supporter, but as an objective analyst of Bengal politics, you will realize that the CPM space has been taken over by BJP. And in recent elections, the margin in terms of vote share is becoming closer and closer. Okay, let's be objective enough to realize it. Let's not deny that. The gap is in single digits and the BJP is growing. Now, Amit Shah is in West Bengal. The BJP is chalking out a strategy. Senior Trinamool leaders have left the party. You know, Mihir Goswami left. Others have left. The BJP is expanding its base. They won about 18 or 40 seats last time. Okay? And they won the seats with a large tribal population as well. My question is this. Violence and counter-violence cannot win either the BJP or the Trinamool Congress the elections. Do you agree? Anirban, do you agree? Eventually, violence or counter-violence will not win either side the election. Do you agree? Similarly, therefore, denial of violence by cadre of any party, BJP or Trinamool, will not help either party. Do you agree? Please.
Yes, I do. Now, may I make my point? The point being, as you said, that
Yes.
Mr. Amit Shah has been strategizing for the Bengal elections. He has the right to do so. And a very important step in that direction is the deployment of Mr. Amit Malviya as one of the observers of West Bengal. Mr. Amit Malviya is rather infamous for his famous fake news factory that is spread all over social media. And therefore, these allegations of political killings by the BJP, I'll tell you, 99% of them are so very false that even the BJP spokespersons themselves do not exactly know what is the number.
Anirban,
That is
don't
the
lie
issue.
here on national television. Don't lie here on national television. Isn't it a fact that 94% of the panchayat seats remain uncontested because the party didn't allow even to file nominations? Isn't it a fact that police machinery in West Bengal is politically affiliated? Isn't it a fact that what communists started in Bengal, TMC has perfection? TMC has actually reached the perfect stage of fascist government. Isn't it a fact that in rural Bengal you are getting a stiff competition by BJP and that's why you are frustrated? Isn't it a fact that the corrupt machinery is getting exposed? What communists have started way back in 70s and 80s. Now TMC is executing it perfectly. But remember, the communist ideology of violence is getting eliminated all over the world. That will be eliminated even in Bengal. Simply because, see,
this is a part of a strategy, sir,
that there are
to level false allegations, to spread fake news, to try and organize some communal riots.
114 political
Your
workers are
single
killed.
point
Whose
agenda, sir,
responsibility
is to arrange for some communal riots.
Whether
You want to give some cover fire to those
What are you holding, Nupur?
preparation so that the media is not able to focus on those issues.
Anirban, who
That
will
is the
answer
sole
for this
reason.
political
Now,
murder?
what are you holding now? What is that, Nupur?
Responsibility
1 minute. Nupur holds her phone up. What are you reading?
Fake news.
Arnab,
That is
I'm
another-
One minute, one at a time. What are you showing, Nupur? Nupur will debate and Tausif listen. Nupur first.
Arnab, I'm showing him newspaper articles
don't count
because
what's
the
happening
man
in
here
Bengal.
said that this is fake news
I can
factory.
count
Arey Dalal,
what's
chup,
happening in
chup.
UP as well.
Arey chup ho ja. I'm showing you news articles. They said that Amit Malviya and BJP run a fake news factory.
You shut
BJP
up.
workers
You
killing
shut
in
up.
West Bengal. Family rejects
You
suicide
keep your
claim,
mouth
says
shut.
TMC men killed
I'll
Dulal
tell you,
Kumar.
I'll tell you, your
Statesman
friend Yogi, what he's
newspaper.
doing in Bengal.
Niche.
Shut up, listen to
Another
me, shut
BJP
up.
workers
Shut up,
found
listen to me.
body found
Nupur,
hanging from
just
a
shut up
pole
and
in
listen to me.
Purulia.
Just shut up and listen
after
to me. I'll
Bilal
tell you
Kumar,
what's
another
happening in
person
UP.
found hanging.
Yes, I'll tell you
Newspaper
what's happening in UP.
statesman.
Don't count
Now I
Bengal.
will show you what
Talk
I was
about the
talking
universal
about.
death happening in
Because
India
the
under the
Dalals
Modi
like this
regime.
Tausif are not.
If
They
you
to
can't
Atangwadi
do
hai,
that,
Dalal
I
bhi
can
hai.
make you count
This
100 times
is
like you.
Indian Express.
And Dalal like
the news
you.
article I
And
just
Dalal
wrote.
like you.
TMC
And Dalal
members,
like you who wants to do
TMC
Dalali
members
with
killed
Modi
BJP
and
members
wants to kill.
because he
You're a
objected
woman.
to
You
her
don't want to count
husband.
how many rapes
Her
happening in India right now?
flouting COVID
You don't want
norms.
to count
Times
that.
of India
You
की
are
news
worried
है.
about a death,
This is fake
which
news.
is not a political.
This is fake news for these
Which is
people.
not a political.
They are.
It's a
I'm
death.
sorry.
It's a clash
They
between
are
two communities.
murderers of the
You should have
highest
some
rank.
shame.
They cannot
Noor,
tolerate an
have some
alternative
shame.
viewpoint. And
It's
this
better
man
you
is a
shut
terrorist.
up and
I
lose the
will
debate.
directly call this
And go
Tausif.
away.
अरे
Don't
shut
sit
up
on the
क्या तू
camera and lie in
terrorist
front
है.
of India.
You think I'm going to get
Please.
scared by you? You are a
Please.
professional heckler.
Please.
Maybe
Oh,
you
yeah,
are
this is the
a
nature.
don. Maybe you are a mafia.
This is the
Maybe you are a
nature of
terrorist.
you
I
that
don't
you will
care.
call each
You
and
cannot
every
take
Muslim
my
a
freedom
terrorist.
of speech.
This
You
is
cannot
on
take my
camera.
free right to speak.
This
This
is
is
on
on camera.
camera
You are
that
a
you are
terrorist.
calling me a
It's
terrorist.
on camera.
I'm happy for
that.
that.
You will not allow
I am
another
happy
person
for
to
that.
speak
I am happy
because
for
you're
that.
scared.
So
You're
the
scared.
India
I will use
knows
this word.
if
Shitless.
any Muslim
You're
staying
scared
under
shitless
BJP regime
of a woman
will have to
speaking
fight for its
because
rights.
probably in
The
your
problem is
house
that
women don't
the
talk.
whole
They
India
are not
will see
allowed to opinionate.
Muslims are
But I'll
getting
tell you what,
heckled
we
by
are not like
Nupur.
that. And I
By
will
Nupur.
actually expose you.
How
You
Muslims
are
are
a
getting heckled by
terrorist.
Nupur.
You are a
You don't want to
terrorist.
discuss
You are
about
a
that.
You know-
Atangwadi. And I have
You-
exposed
yes,
you.
exactly.
Now,
with
one
news
minute.
articles.
We
This
don't
is
need
not
to. We don't
concerned
need
you.
to. Nopur. We don't need to call anyone a terrorist. That's absolutely not necessary.
This is what I want.
Let's disagree without calling each other names. My question is, Tausif, listen. Tausif.
I don't want a bloody apology. Someone
Tausif, 1 minute.
who belongs from BJP. I don't want a bloody apology.
Don't
give me a
Now, Praful is on the debate. Now, all of you need to stop making personal attacks on each other, please.
With yourself.
Sorry. This is
Better
not
you keep it with
acceptable.
yourself,
Sorry.
Nupur.
Okay.
I will respect you.
Tausif, you have
I will
behaved
respect
like
you.
one.
I will respect
have
you.
behaved like one.
Being a woman,
Please.
I will
Please,
respect
you have
you.
no right. You have no right,
After all, you're a
especially when
TMC
some
supporter.
woman is
TMC
talking
guys
about
are
calling
known to
somebody
make
a
bombs in their houses.
You see, the problem is, viewers, that the problem in Bengal is that both sides have reached a point where it is impossible to have the conversation about why violence will not win votes. But I'm concerned about the polarizing situation there. As Indian citizens, all of us celebrate our democracy with close elections. But the concern is either side should not begin to believe that violence will provide them some kind of an insulation from the political reality. If the situation is Bengal is changing, let both sides battle it out for ideas among the people, not with political murders and lynchings. Viewers, with a promise to see you tomorrow, I'll be back at 9. Good night and goodbye.